Using a 7mm socket, I'm going to start by removing these two screws right here. Once these are out, repeat for the other side. On the inside of the fender liner right here, there's going to be two plastic buttons that we want to go ahead and remove. We're going to use a pick and our trim tool here to go ahead and pop these out. Once you get those two out, repeat for the other side. I'm going to go ahead and remove these plastic buttons here. There's a series of these across the front lip of the bumper. Just got to remove all of these. There are 3 pockets under this front splash guard here that have this plastic push pins. You want to go ahead and use a pair of pliers to go ahead and remove those. We have 2 10mm bolts. Let's go ahead and remove these. There's one just the other side here. Let's go ahead and remove our 3 10mm bolts. Work our cover down. Using your trim tool, you want to go around the inside of your fender liner here. You want to pop off these buttons right on the back edge of the bumper. Using a 7mm socket, we want to go ahead and remove this little bolt on the inside. Then we'll go ahead and remove these buttons on this side here. Here's a 7mm, and we're going to remove our lower bolt right here. We'll go ahead and remove our fender liner. We'll line up our fender liner. I'm going to line up the back section here first. Go ahead and line up our back portion of our liner. I'll go ahead and get the screw started. And just snug that. Get our lower bolt started in the back portion of the liner. And we'll go ahead and snug that down. Let's take our splash shield here. We're going to feed this up underneath the edge of the bumper. So we're going to install our center plastic retainer. Once we have that center pin lined up, push it up in, and then push our center lock button up and in. Let's go ahead and install our 2 screws on the back side here. I'll go ahead and get these snug down. Once you feel these screws snug down, you just want to go a little bit more, just enough to hold that in place. Now you want to go ahead and repeat this for the other side. Let's go and install our 3 screws. Install your plastic push pins into the bottom here, lock it in, and repeat across the front lip of the bumper. And repeat just for the driver's side. Inside the fender well, you want to go ahead and install your liner buttons here. Pop these in. Once you have these 2 in, go ahead and repeat for the driver's side.